Now here we are going to start with session 6, accessing documents and files. So we are going to access the document and files which are shared by your Red Hat for the users who can get the details about the configuration and the commands. Now here we are going to work with the documents by using these particular commands listed below. So very first we are going to check about your man. Man is nothing but the manual pages. Now if I want to get a manual page of certain command, I can give command as man space the list of command which you require. Same, you can use the information of the command by using command pinfo. So you can give pinfo and the command of the details which you require. So you can define that command, automatically it will provide you the complete information. Pinfo is also used for getting all the particular commands which is used in Linux along with the description. So it will list out all the particular commands along with the description here. Same way, if you want a sample file for the configuration, you will get those files in USR, share and doc. So it is under your mount point, USR folder, share and doc. You can get the details from there. We are going to have a look on this particular commands as well as document files. So we can start your machine and we can start with our terminal. In terminal, I'll just type man cp. Here, man is a command and cp I'll be using for getting the description of cp command. So it is showing me cp is used for copying files and directories. So it also shows the synopsis or the syntaxes how we can use this command. Synopsis is cp option source and destination. So cp, any option you can use in between, and then source and destination. So what are the options you are going to use? The description is given below. You can use archive, you can use the attributes, you can take a backup. So these are the multiple options which we have. So these options you can use along with the cp. We can use the backup. These are the different, along with the syntax, it will provide you everything. Hyphen. So when you use hyphen, the letter will be capital. If you don't use capital letters, you can use double hyphen the command. So there is a description provided to you. Along with that, it will show you the line number below the bar. It is also showing you if you require help. So you can press H or you can quit by using Q. So I have just pressed Q and we have come out. Now I'll check the description above mkdir. So man space mkdir and enter. So it will show you it is used for creating a directories along with the descriptions below. So this way you can get access to any particular commands. So you can get the details of those commands over here. Now we can press Q to move out of this particular manual page. So you can get manual pages for each and every commands here. Now we are just going to check man. If I hit enter, it will ask you which manual page do you want. So directly man if you press. So first it will ask you for which command you are searching for the manual page. So unless you define the command, you won't be able to do it. But we are using pinfo. Now pinfo space, you can either use commands. Now again I am using the cp command here. It is showing you the same description what we have seen in our manual pages. But the format will be slightly different. Here you can get the description, the same description what you got in man. So manual pages is same. Now if I want to list out all the particular command which is there in your Linux, so you can use directly pinfo and just hit enter. If you hit enter, it will list you all the commands which are available in this Linux and for which purpose it is used. You can check, it is showing you for archive which commands we use, for GNU which commands we use. It will also show you the description of the commands, like we will just use the basic command mkdir, which generally we use to create a directory. Now you can see mkdir, it is showing you the description of mkdir, create directories. Right. So if I want more descriptions of it, so I can just hit enter on mkdir. Now you can see it is showing you the same manual page of mkdir. Now again, if you go through with this, if you come out with some particular point which we don't know or some particular topic which we are looking for more description, so you can even click on those topic which is highlighted, like if you talk about a directory security CID or what is set UID, what is GUID. So you need to just click on it. So we are going to check the file permission. Now we have gone through with this file permission, but I don't know how to set the file permission. And what is A equals to RWX? So what is more? So we can just move into file permission. Just if we click here, it will directly redirect us to manual pages. So it is the manual pages which we have. It will show you how we can define the file permissions in different forms. Generally, we have multiple forms of giving the permissions. So symbolic form, numeric form, operator numeric forms. So which mode you require to define the permission. So if you want more description of it, you can again hit enter and you can move ahead. So this is how we can get the information about any particular commands by using your pinfo. So to quit out of here, again we can use q command. So this is the description what we have. You can quit from here. We are going to quit it and we will just move ahead with the other informations. Now here we are going to see the share documents, which generally is kept under USR. So to move in USR, we will use /USR. Just to change the directory, we will use cd space /USR /share /doc. Now we are under this here. We can see there are n number of files which we have in the share document. These are the share documents for each and every service we have here. Now I want to check the same directory USR share doc, but I want to see it page wise. So you can find and give command more. So I'll just remove cd from here. You can check more and hit enter. You can see there are all directories and all the files are listed below. So I can check using page wise mode. Now these are the files, helping files for each and every configuration which packages we have in our system. So if you want to check for any particular package, we can have a look on any of the configuration file or any particular sample files which we have. So we are going to look for grub2, or we can even check for any other service. Just we will find the service here. Now we are going to open a file vi/grub2. This is actually more comfortable file we can work on. If you have already configured or installed our DHCP/DNS, we would have seen the configuration file for it. So we are moving into a file grub2.2, which is main configuration file for your grub2. So it is showing me. It also contains all the possible files here. I can use Y. You can check all the files and manual pages for this particular file. This is the information which you are getting over here. It will show you the configuration, how you can use this configuration, and what are the commands is used for. Now you can even check. You can move under your grub and you can also check the other files which you have. So we have copying. Same way, if you want to start with copying, you can use the copying. It is in capital case, so it's case sensitive. You need to check into it. Now this is a description of your GNU grub. It's the grub2. So it will show you the description of your grub2 here. It will also show you the terms and conditions what you have along with grub2. You can have a look on each and every description. You can read this later on. Right, so you can get more information. Even it will provide you the link from where you can get more information. So this is how we can check about your grub or any particular document. So even we can check more documents, like if I want to check about your yum. So we are moving into yum. You can see the number of files we have: install, copying, changelog, authors, readme. Right, so we can just move into your install. So it is showing you for usage what you have to do: run and make. So automatically what will happen, this make will get installed your yum. Right, so this is how we can get the information about any particular command or any particular configuration. So if you have configured any other services, you would have seen the list of those particular services in USR share doc itself. If you want to check readme files, you can check the readme, how you are going to use the readme yum. So it will show you the description of yum along with the combined manual page. It will show you update, how to install, how to remove the manual pages. This is how we can check here 3 of the command man, yum. So you can check the same things from your yum. So even you can provide the combination of both. Maybe we can check more files. We are in share doc now, USR share doc. So we have completed with how we can check the manual pages, how we can check your PE info, how we can check the documents. Right. So this is what exactly we have seen in your share doc files, the documentation which we can use for helping the contents. So here we are going to end up. And in next section, we are going to continue with the other particular topics which we have in RHCSA.